Hey there, future blockchain wizards. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Stellar and Soroban. Get ready to unlock the secrets of fast, cheap, and accessible financial services for everyone. Stellar is like the cool kid on the blockchain block. It's a decentralized network that's changing how we move and manage money. Forget about slow transactions and hefty fees. Stellar is all about speed, affordability, and global inclusion. Think of Stellar as a global ledger, a giant digital book that keeps track of every transaction. It's open to anyone, anywhere, making it perfect for sending money across borders, trading assets, and building innovative financial applications. But wait, there's more. Stellar's not just about payments. With Soroban, its powerful smart contract platform, we can create amazing things like decentralized exchanges, asset tokenization, and even supply chain management solutions. Exciting stuff, right? Before we journey into the depths of Stellar's inner workings, let's get a handle on the basics. Imagine Stellar as a bustling city of finance. In this city, you have accounts. Just like in a real bank, you need an account to hold your digital assets. Stellar accounts are like digital wallets that store your Stellar Lumens, XLM, the native currency of the network, and other assets. Transactions. When you want to send money or make a payment, you initiate a transaction. Transactions on Stellar are super fast and secure thanks to the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, which we'll explore soon. Assets. Here's where things get interesting. Besides XLM, Stellar lets you create and trade any type of asset imaginable. Think stocks, bonds, loyalty points, even digital representations of physical goods. The possibilities are endless. So you have accounts to store your digital goodies, transactions to move them around, and assets which can represent pretty much anything of value. It's like a digital playground for financial innovation. Now, let's unravel the magic behind Stellar's speed and efficiency. The Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. This ingenious system ensures that everyone on the network agrees on the order of transactions, preventing fraud and double spending. Unlike traditional blockchain networks that rely on energy-intensive mining, SCP uses a voting system. Think of it as a democratic process where nodes, computers on the network, vote on the validity of transactions. But here's the cool part. SCP doesn't require every single node to validate every transaction. Instead, nodes form quorum slices, small, trusted groups, that reach agreements independently. This clever approach allows Stellar to achieve consensus much faster and with significantly less energy consumption compared to proof-of-work blockchains. It's a win-win for speed, scalability, and sustainability. Let's break down how SCP reaches an agreement step by step. 1. Transaction submission. A user initiates a transaction which is broadcast to the network. 1. Node validation. Nodes receive the transaction and check if it meets the network's rules like sufficient funds and valid signatures. 1. Quorum voting. Nodes within their assigned quorum slices vote on whether to accept or reject the transaction. 1. Consensus reached. Once a transaction receives enough votes from trusted nodes within a quorum, it's considered valid and added to the Stellar ledger. This elegant voting system ensures that only legitimate transactions are processed, making Stellar incredibly secure and reliable. Plus, since not every node needs to validate every transaction, the network can handle a high volume of transactions without breaking a sweat. Section 5. Introducing Soroban Smart Contracts on Stellar. Hold on to your hats, because things are about to get even more interesting. Let's talk about Soroban, Stellar's revolutionary smart contract platform. Smart contracts are like self-executing agreements written in code, and Soroban brings this powerful technology to Stellar. Remember how we said Stellar is like a giant digital ledger? Well, Soroban allows us to build sophisticated applications on top of this ledger, unlocking a world of possibilities. Imagine creating a decentralized exchange where users can trade assets directly without intermediaries. Or picture a supply chain management system that tracks goods from origin to destination with transparent and tamper-proof records. Soroban makes these dreams a reality. With its developer-friendly environment and robust security features, Soroban is poised to become the go-to platform for building the next generation of decentralized applications. Friendly environment and robust security features, Soroban is poised to become the go-to platform for building the next generation of decentralized applications. Section 6. Writing your first Soroban contract. Ready to get your hands dirty with some code? Let's write a simple Soroban contract using Rust, Soroban's primary programming language. Don't worry, we'll keep it beginner-friendly. Rust uses Soroban's DK, contractible, enver, add, contractible, contracts, and even connect to external systems. Section 7. Deploying and interacting with your contract. Once you've written your Soroban contract, it's time to deploy it to the Stellar network and start interacting with it. Here's a simplified overview of the process. 1. You'll need to compile your Rust code into a WebAssembly (WASM) module, which is the format that Soroban understands. 2. Next, you'll deploy your compiled contract to a Stellar account that will serve as its home on the network. 3. With your contract deployed, you can interact with it by sending transactions that invoke its functions. These transactions can be initiated using the Stellar SDK or any compatible wallet. Soroban provides a seamless and secure environment for managing your contracts, allowing you to build and deploy powerful decentralized applications with confidence. Section 8. Real-world applications of Stellar and Soroban. Let's step out of the technical weeds for a moment and explore some real-world use cases where Stellar and Soroban are making a real difference. Cross-border payments. Stellar's fast and low-cost transactions make it ideal for sending money across borders, especially for remittances and micropayments. Financial inclusion. Stellar's accessibility empowers individuals and businesses in underserved communities to access financial services that were previously out of reach. Tokenization of assets. Soroban enables the creation and management of digital representations of real-world assets such as stocks, bonds, and commodities, unlocking new possibilities for investment and trading. These are just a few examples of how Stellar and Soroban are transforming the financial landscape. As the ecosystem continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge in areas like supply chain management, identity verification, and decentralized finance. Section 9. Advanced Soroban concepts. Ready to level up your Soroban skills? Let's dive into some advanced concepts that will empower you to build even more sophisticated and powerful smart contracts. Contract-to-contract calls. Soroban allows contracts to interact with each other, enabling complex workflows and decentralized applications. External data access. Through oracles, Soroban contracts can access real-world data, such as stock prices or weather information, expanding their capabilities and use cases. Upgradability and governance. Soroban provides mechanisms for upgrading contracts and managing their governance, ensuring long-term sustainability and adaptability. By mastering these advanced concepts, you'll be well-equipped to build cutting-edge, decentralized applications that push the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. Section 10. The future of Stellar and Soroban. The future of Stellar and Soroban is incredibly bright. With its focus on speed, scalability, and accessibility, Stellar is well-positioned to become a leading platform for financial innovation. Soroban, with its powerful smart contract capabilities, opens up a world of possibilities for developers to create groundbreaking, decentralized applications that can transform industries and empower individuals. As the Stellar ecosystem continues to expand, we can expect to see increased adoption by businesses, developers, and users alike. The combination of Stellar's robust infrastructure and Soroban's developer-friendly environment creates a fertile ground for innovation and growth. Section 11. Conclusion: Mastering the Stellar Ecosystem. Congratulations! You've completed this crash course on Stellar and Soroban. You've gained a solid understanding of the fundamental concepts, explored the power of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, and even dipped your toes into the world of smart contract development with Soroban. Mastering these concepts is essential for anyone looking to navigate the exciting world of blockchain technology and contribute to the development of a more inclusive and accessible financial system. So go forth, build amazing things, and together let's unlock the full potential of Stellar and Soroban.